the punch. It is a move that is essential to all martial arts, in some form or way. All great fighters want hand speed. Your fist is a very deadly weapon, and if one could perform a punch faster than sound, they would be unstoppable. Of course, punching faster at the speed of sound is impossible, as the human body cannot handle such a movement. The bones would shatter and the whole arm would explode. But I am different. Through the power of the Barracuda, I have conditioned my body to handle such speeds. Come on, think. Bullet speed. Lightning speed. Jet speed. He'll never see it coming.